Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of General Knowledge of Jeevandeep, Class 5. Today we are going to see quiz number 11 and quiz number 12. So, here is quiz number 11. A. Literature. Choose the right meanings for the words given below with the help of statements. First, monarchy. What is the meaning of monarchy? Where the head of the government is the king. Second, license. What is the meaning of the license? A written permission given by an authority. Third, bonus. Money that is given on occasions apart from the fixed salary. Fourth, republic. When the head of the government is an elected president, it is known as republic. Fifth, narrator. One who tells the story before the performance. Sixth, employer. A person who hires somebody to work for him. Seventh, referee. One who watches over the players to see if the rules are being followed. Now B comes mathematics and science. Fill in the blanks. As the child grows, the milk teeth are replaced by the permanent teeth. So the answer is milk and permanent. Second, boiling water kills the germ in it. So the answer is germs. Third, the unit digit of a number divisible by 10 is 0. Fourth, a solar eclipse takes place on a new Monday. Answer is Neve. Fifth, the time taken to cover a distance of 75 kilometers at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour will be 5 hours. So the answer is 5 hours. Now next, see social studies. Answer in one sentence. What is the process of digging out mineral known as? Answer is mining. Second, in which part of India did the British East Indian Company set up their administration? It was Bengal. Third, how did the European traders come to India before sea routes were discovered? Answer is land routes. Fourth, why was Gandhiji's ashram at Ahmedabad named Sabarmati? Because it was on the bank of the river Sabarmati. Fifth, who is called a Caliph? Ruler of Turkey is known as Caliph. D. General. Take the right word. First, aquatic plants grow in water. So the right word is water. Second, capacity to adjust to the surroundings is known as adaptation. So the right word is adaptation. Third, an unmarried man is referred to as bachelor. So the right word is bachelor. Fourth, the liquid in a mouth is called saliva. So the right word is saliva. Fifth, fundamental rights are given to every citizen by the government. So the right word is government. Now next, let's see quiz number 12. A. Literature. What are the young ones of the following called? First, dog. What is the young one of dog known as? Puppy. Second, cat, kitten. Third, tiger, cub. Fourth, hen, chick. And fifth, horse. We called it as foal or a colt. B. Mathematics and science. Answer the following. First, why is it harmful to be seated in a classroom full of students with the doors and windows closed? All exhale carbon dioxide and there is no fresh supply of oxygen for them to breathe as the doors and windows are being closed. When the doors and windows are closed and we sit in a one classroom, how we will feel? We will feel like suffocated. It will be very difficult for us to breathe. Second, what happens when water falls on a lotus leaf? Answer, it performs drops and rolls off the leaves. Third, which layer gets thin within the atmosphere gets polluted? It is the ozone layer. Fourth, how would you come to the conclusion that a number is divisible by 2? Last digit on the right must be an even number or 0. Fifth, what are the instruments found in the geometric box? What are the instruments found in the geometric box? They are ruler, protractor, set square, divider, and compass. C. Social studies. Observe the map and answer the questions given below. So here is the map given below, students. You all have to answer the questions given down related to that map. Is there a sea route too? First, Srinagar from Chennai? No. Second, Kolkata from Mumbai? Yes. Third, Hyderabad from Bangalore? No. Chennai from Mumbai? Yes. Goa from Mumbai? Yes. Now next comes D general. Answer the following. What was the system in which goods were paid for in kind and not in cash? It was barter. Second, what are dried grapes called? They are called as raisins. Third, what is the sign for pedestrian crossing? It is zebra strips. Fourth, where are traffic signals placed? At road junctions where 3 or more roads meet. Thank you.